hashtag Python comments, open parenthesis, single line and multi-line. Hashtag, this is a single line comment. Print, open parenthesis, double quote, hello, comma, world, exclamation point, double quote, close parenthesis. Then, triple quote, this is a multi-line comment. You can write explanations here, triple quote, print, open parenthesis, double quote, comments are ignored by Python, double quote, close parenthesis. So, hashtags start a single line comment. Triple quotes are used for multi-line comments or doctrines. Comments are not executed by Python, they just explain the code. So, here's the output. Hello world, comma, exclamation point, comments are ignored by Python.